Hey everyone, Luke here with the Joint Replacement Therapist. Today I want to share a couple exercises to do to help restore knee extension or knee straightening range of motion. So all of these exercises can be incorporated as part of your conservative treatment, as part of your physical preparation for surgery, or as part of your rehab after surgery. So the first one I want to share is quad sets. So what you'll need is either a big towel roll, or if you have a pillow you can fold up, and all you're going to do is you're going to place the towel roll underneath your heel. And you can sit up in this long sit position, we call it, or you can lay on your back with your legs out straight. Either way works. So all you're going to do with the towel roll underneath your heel is you're going to squeeze your quadricep muscle on the top of your thigh here, at the same time trying to straighten the leg. Hold for a count of 5 to 10, and then just relax. Usually what I like to say is do 8 to 10 reps, holding for 5 to 10 seconds each. As you are able to tolerate that, okay, what you can do is then begin to add some overpressure. So you're going to squeeze the quad, try to straighten the knee as best as you can, and then you can provide a gentle pressure with your hand on top of your thigh to help get a little more range of motion, a little more straightening. Same thing, holding for 5 to 8 seconds, and then relax. Another way you can get a little bit better stretch, a little bit more range of motion, is using, if you have a towel at home or a pillowcase, or if you have a strap, putting it around your heel. And now as you squeeze to do the quad set, you're going to pull, and you're going to feel a little bit of that stretch in your hamstring and your calf muscles as well. Same thing, holding for about a count of 5 to 10, and then relax. And then the best thing you can even do is adding the pulling with the overpressure from the hand. So now you're getting the most optimal stretch, you're getting the range of motion, trying to get the most straightening as possible. Another option you can do to help improve your knee straightening, knee extension range of motion is something we call low load, long duration stretching. So what you're doing, staying in this position, and what I like to do is take a big ankle weight. What you can do at home is take, if you have a big textbook or anything really heavy, get in a nice relaxed position, towel roll under your heel, and you're going to put the weight on top of your thigh. And then all you're going to do is relax for 10-12 minutes, let the effects of gravity help give you that nice gentle stretch, help improve the extension range of motion. Usually what I like to use is 10 to 12 pounds, stretch for about 10 minutes or so. Besides being in the chair or being on the table or laying down, you can also do some exercises here in the chair. So one easy one, this one is actually going to work on your range of motion and your strengthening of your quadricep muscles at the same time, is we call them long arc quads. Basically what you're doing, squeezing the quadricep muscle, kicking the leg out straight. Nice and slow and controlled. Usually what I like to do is about 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. As you get good at this, good range of motion, good strength, you can start to add some ankle weights, make it a little more challenging, help build the strength a little bit more. Another thing you can do is if you have another chair or a couch or anything really, putting the leg up on the chair, and now all those exercises I just showed you on the table, you can do on the chair. So you can do the quad sets, squeezing and relax. You can do the overpressure, the stretch, all of those exercises, as well as the low load, long duration, putting the weight on your leg, letting it stretch for 10 to 12 minutes. Also another option is something, if you want to get a little more pressure, is putting your leg up on the chair and standing up, and then actually same thing, doing the quad set and squeezing, and then pushing with the arms. With all of these, you want it to be nice and gentle. A little bit of discomfort is normal, but nothing that's going to be overly uncomfortable, nothing that's going to aggravate your signs and symptoms, have increased pain later for the rest of the day or into the next day. What I like to always say is a lot of repetitions, a lot of duration of stretch over doing very high intensity stretch that's going to aggravate things. Alright, so that's just a couple of different exercises you can do to help restore knee extension, knee straightening range of motion. The goal is to get to 0, perfectly straight. It's also normal for some people to have a little bit of what we call hyperextension, 5 to 6 degrees. But at least getting to 0 degrees is the main goal. So please, if you like this video, please feel free to leave a comment or like it, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and be sure to check us out on jointreplacementtherapist.com. Thank you.